In order to view your child's grades, you will need to switch from your parent account to your child's account. So to switch, you'll click on your name and scroll down to your child's name. This will take you to the student activity page, where you can see the courses or student activity. You can see the grades, and you can see assignments, whether overdue or upcoming. Okay, so one way to view the grades is to click on one of these three options. You have graded assignments, you have graded tests and quizzes, and you have graded discussions. So when you click on, let's say, graded assignments, it brings you to all of your child's recent assignments. And on the right-hand side, you'll see their scores. You'll also see, if it's excused, this green box right here. Okay, so that's one way to view the grades. You click on that. You can also click on tests and quizzes, or you can click on discussions. And for each of those, if you click on it, it'll bring you right to the assignment. Okay, so I'm going to click the WTPS to get back to my child's home page here, and I'm going to show you another option. So we have grades up here. So there's grade report and there's mastery. So grade report, if you click on that, it will bring you to each of your child's courses here. And when you click on your child's course, it'll show you how they're doing in each of the categories that your child's teacher has set up. And you can click on the course to close it, and you can click on the next course, and you can look at their scores here. Okay, so then we'll click WTPS again, and we'll go back to our main page here. And our third option, so the first one was recent grades here, then we had grades here. Then you can go to courses, and you'll see their courses up here. You can click on one of the courses, and on the left-hand side you have grades. And here you can see for that specific class your child's grades. Okay, so I'm going to go back to WTPS and show you those three options for viewing your child's grades. You have right here, recent grades. You have grades here where you get a grade report, or you can go into the individual course and click on grades here. So that is how you view your child's grades.